Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to view the dependency of any object in SQL Server 2022 using SP underscore depend store procedure. So here this is the SQL Server 2022 version I'm using. So I'm switching to AdventureWorks database. Next I am going to execute the statement execute SP underscore depends sales lt.customer. So sales lt.customer is a table name. Let me execute that command. So you can see that below showing one function, inline function. So this inline function requires this sales lt.customer table. So let me execute this command. See here, this inline function is using below columns listed in sales lt.customer table. Okay, let me show another example. So let me execute for sales lt.product table. See here, sales lt.product table is using some check constraints and view. Fifth row, you can see one view is using this table sales lt.product. Okay, let me execute passing this parameter view as a parameter. You can see that v product and description view is using multiple tables as a dependency. So in this way, you can find the dependency of database objects using SP underscore depends store procedure in SQL Server 2022.